It's time to replace those 20-year-old couch cushions. Let's do it. It must be Maintenance Monday. Woo! Let's get to work. These couch cushions have gotten significantly flatter over the years. When we sit on them these days, we're basically sitting on the board on the bottom. Boy, let me tell you, they're uncomfortable. We're gonna fix that. Step 1, remove the old. On the back of the cushion, you'll find a zipper. You unzip that, and out comes the first cushion. There are 2 cushions. You'll have to unzip them both. You'll want to use a lot of patience here. The last thing you want to do is rip your upholstery. Step 2, wash the nasty. Step 3, use the old cushions as a template to mark your new cushions. I like to use a Sharpie to make my templates. Step 4, cut out your foam cushions. When you're cutting these cushions out, all you really need is a bread knife. It's that simple. You just cut it like a loaf of bread. When cutting out your template, I find that long, smooth cuts make the straightest lines, and then repeat as necessary to gain depth. And step 5, reinsert the new foam. When you're inserting the new cushions into your upholstery, patience is key. Take your time, get them to fit right. Don't rip your material.
Nick just finished with our first cushion. It looks super fluffy. I'm excited to not have to sit in a butt spot that's all saggy. So thick. That's the new one. Check out the old one. It's so saggy and it's unproportional. That side's a little fluffier because we haven't flipped them around in a while. Super excited to sit and work on those.
We have couch cushions in, and pretty good. The old ones were kind of curved at the top. These ones have a pretty hard corner to them. And if I want to, I can pull this cushion back out and shave that corner down. Jacqueline spends most of her time in here editing, and she really wore down the flat spots, so I'm sure she'll enjoy that. After sitting on those new couch cushions for a day, I decided it was absolutely necessary to cut an angle into that top cushion. Not the bottom one, just the one on top. It's not a big angle, just like 5 degrees. The new angles on the top cushions were superb. They made such a difference. I highly recommend it. We left the bottom cushions alone because we figured, well, they don't need that angle. They're pretty comfortable as they are. That's it. You're done. Congratulations. Great job.
Well, that's the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it, because I sure enjoyed making it. Remember, I'm not an expert in this field. I'm just doing stuff from my own experience. In reality, I really don't know what I'm talking about. So do your research, do your homework, make sure you're doing it right yourself. Hey, let me tell you about Travel Tuesdays. If you enjoyed this stuff, Tuesdays, every single week, we release a video of all the wonderful places that we go. So check them out. They're right here. Yeah, right there. Over there. Somewhere around here. That's the one.